Hey guys, I am now going to size up my gauges on my ears. I have a kit right here, purchased at Spencer's for $20. Hold on, is it gonna focus? Either way, $20. Now I have the plugs. Well, I've had plugs anyways. That's what's in my ears now. Also $20, but I think it was buy one, get one half. So you buy a kit and then get this one half off. So it's like $30 for both. The things that I use is the oil, which is golden jojoba oil, skincare. That's what, I think it was like $5 or $10 with the kit. I also use ear care when you get your ears pierced. And I use healing ointment Aquaphor. And you're going to see how I do it. But I have to take these out. Let's clip my hair out my way. But, okay. So these ones are size 14, but I'm now going to go to size 12, which are little tubies. And how I'm doing it, I don't know if any of you want to do it and haven't decided to do it, but these ones are called tapers. You leave these in for like a couple hours and then you take them off and you change them into a plug. So but from the last, I can talk about my last one since I didn't record it, but my last, well, this size, which is my first sizing, it hurt pretty good. It hurt. But I wanted to do it, so I dealt with it. So, yeah, I'm going to put these in alcohol when I'm done and like cleanse them up and stuff and then put them back in the packaging. But here is the little plug that you put in your ear after. But yeah, I take this little thing and hold on, I need Q-tips. Sorry if you're like real zoomed in on my face, but it's a bar. Anyways, I take a Q-tip, take some of the ear care stuff, put it on my ear, let me get that out of the way, because since you're sizing your ears, you're like re-piercing it. You don't want your ears to get infected. At least my ass don't. But then I take this, quickly wipe it down with the ear care thing, and then take this oil on your finger, just a little bit. You don't need a lot. Put that all over this little thing. And then I take some of the Aquaphor healing stuff. Oops, I put too much. Not a lot, but I ended up doing Either way, I put some on there and then I put some on my ear. You just want it to easily slide through. You want it to easily slide through, but can you see it? Can you see it? There you go. What the hell? That just slid right through. That's pretty cool. But you leave these on there, these in your ears, a couple hours. So, can you see the back of it? You leave these in there for a couple hours. Put the backing on there for a couple hours and then change them to the plug. The fuck? That's what I hate about this shit. You can't see the back of your freaking ear. There we go. There's the backing. Leave these in there for a couple hours and then leave these plugs in there for I left mine in for 3 weeks. I left my plugs in for 3 weeks, but it varies, I guess, because some people have left it in there for like a month or something like that. Yeah, you want to clean your ear. I know the first time that I started doing this ear was the one that hurt more, but I don't think it should be a problem, but we will find out. Now, take the tubing again. Massage the oil on it. Take the Aquaphor, run it all over it, and your ear. And then go to town. Well, there we go. After this sizing, it doesn't really hurt, honestly. So, how it comes in the kit is like this. The first top one, it's behind this label, is a 14. This label is a 12. And there we go. Okay. The top one that's in here is a 14. The ones that I have in my ear right now is a 12. These white ones right here are a 10. These bottoms right here are a 8. These ones down here are a 6. And the last ones on the bottom right here are a 4. Which I can show you again with the plugs. The empty space behind here is a 14. These ones are a 12. These ones are a 10. This one's an 8. This one right here is a 6. This bottom one is a 4. I am only going to 4. I don't want my ears to look like you could stick this whole freaking thing in my ear.
No, thank you. Sorry, ma'am.
I know people, well, not know, but I've seen people that have like this motherfucker in their ear.
No, thank you.
I want my shit to look nice, not all janky and weird, but that's what it is. And then the care after this, after I leave this in for my ears for probably like tonight, since it's 2:19, I will leave it probably until like 8 o'clock at night. I clean my ears again, and then I add the plugs to leave in my ears for another 3 weeks, and then change it again. So,
I've never seen something so beautiful.